Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Getting a new M3 MacBook here is very exciting. So today we are here with the first 21 things you should do to set up and optimize your new device. So let's get started. First thing first, simply tap on the Apple icon available in the top left corner and tap on the system settings. Inside system settings, go to the Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now after this, simply tap on the trackpad option available there and familiarize yourself with macOS trackpad gesture for efficient navigation. This includes swiping between full screen apps, mission control and launchpad. Now simply go back to the desktop. And now in desktop, all you have to do is right click and tap on the add widget or edit widget, and in edit mode you will see a list of available widget on the left side of the screen, and browse to the widget and click on the widget you want to add on your home screen. You can add widgets like calendar, weather, stocks, reminders and more. After adding widget, you can rearrange them by dragging and dropping them into your preferred order. You can also resize widget, or you can also simply remove them if you don't want them anymore by double tapping on them, and you will get to see the drop down menu. And now you can see I have added the two widgets, the clock and the calendar. Now if I want to remove them, then I'll simply tap on them and you will get to see the remove widget option, and it is removed. Now you can add and remove it according to your preferences. Now the another feature is you can remove all the apps or photos or videos on your desktop by simply going to the desktop and dock and simply tapping or checking on the hide the items or preferred finder preferences windows of the desktop, and it will all be hidden. So now you can choose to hide or unhide the desktop apps or photos and videos as well. Now if you want to remove the app from the dock, then you can simply tap on the app and drag them to the upper, and you can see the remove option and leave it. Then it will be removed easily. Now you can just do that and choose the apps you want to remove to your preferences and remove it. Now you can go to the display and look for an option to reset your display settings to default. So my MacBook is 13-inch, so the default mode is completely okay for me. And if you want the larger wide screen, then you can tap on the large screen option available there, and it will larger your screen, and the app or photos on your desktop will be small. Now go to the desktop and dock again. There you can see the slider labeled size. Slide this control to right to increase the size of the dock, or the left to decrease it. This adjusts the overall width of the dock. And there you will also see the slider labeled magnification. Slide this control to the right to increase magnification, or to the left to decrease it. When magnification is enabled, icons in the dock will grow larger when you hover over them with the mouse cursor. So now simply try doing it. You can do it according to your preferences again. Now go to the lock screen option available there, and now in lock screen you can choose the timer of your MacBook to turn off according to your preferences. So here I have choose the minimal time so that I can save my battery of my Mac if I leave it somewhere open. So if you leave it somewhere open, then you can choose how much time it will take for your Mac to shut down. So choose it according to your personal preferences. Now go to the wallpaper option available there, and now in wallpaper there you will find a list of different categories of wallpaper. Here you will get to see landscape, a color variant options for the wallpaper. If you want to add pictures from your phone, then you can also do that, but I don't have any photos at the moment in my MacBook. So all you have to do is go on the top and tap on the add photos, add wallpapers from the photos option available in there, and you'll be done. So that's it. Now go to the control center, and in control center you will get to see a list of apps for the to show in menu bar. Now all you have to do is tap on the apps. If you want them in your menu bar, then simply tap on allow, or if you don't, then simply tap on not allow option available there. Now the another feature is you can simply right click on your screen, and you will get to see the options like use stack option in your MacBook here. And when you tap on the use stack, all screen recordings, all photos, all applications will be organized. You will see your files grouped into stacks on the desktop, and if you don't want it, then you can again right click and turn off the use stack option available there, and it will go back to the normal again. Now go to the control center for next step, and in control center look for the battery icon, and in battery tap on the show percentage option. Check this option, and once you have checked this show percentage option, the battery percentage will be displayed next to the battery icon in the menu bar. Also, you can set up the touch ID. Now all you have to do is go to the touch option available there and click on the add fingerprint button. You'll be prompted to place your finger on the touch ID sensor, which is typically located on the right side of the touch bar of MacBook Air models with the touch ID. Now follow the on-screen instructions to position your finger on the touch ID sensor. You will need to lift and rest your finger multiple times to capture different parts of your fingerprint. If necessary, adjust your grip or angle slightly to ensure that the touch ID captures your fingerprint accurately from different angles. After the initial fingerprint scan is completed, you'll be prompted to lift and rest your finger again to capture additional fingerprint data. So now if you want to add another fingerprint after this, then tap on the done and tap on the add fingerprint and continue with the process again. After that, you can test your touch ID. Now the next step is update your Mac OS regularly. Check for updates. Click on the software update option available in the system preferences, and if updates are available, you will see a list of them in the software update window. Click on the update now or update tonight option, and it will update and restart your Mac. So what happens is a Mac OS Air update, you will ensure that your device is secure, stable, and equipped with the latest features and improvements. Now the another feature is sign in to your Apple ID. Sign in with the Apple ID or create a new one if you don't have an account. Your Apple ID allows you to access iCloud, the App Store, and other Apple services. So it must be done as soon as possible. Now the next trick is you can take partial screenshot. Press Shift Command +4. Your cursor will turn into a cross here, and click and drag to select the area you want to capture, and release the mouse button to take the screenshot. Now simply tap on the screenshot and open it. Now you can edit the screenshot in preview. You can crop, annotate, add text, shapes, and more to your screenshot. You can click on the tools menu, and you can also mark up any photos or videos. You can resize, you can rotate, you can do anything according to your preferences to these photos. You can edit its contrast, you can edit its brightness, as well as you can change its color by tapping on the edit option available there. After you tap on the edit, you will get to see the slider bar, and you can edit it according to your preferences. Now, the Spotlight search on macOS is a powerful tool for quickly finding files, app, documents. Simply press on Command plus search bar, and you will get to see the Spotlight search bar in your screen, and you can simply enter any search queries or anything in the search bar, and you will get to see the similar options available in the drop down menu. So Spotlight will start displaying search results in real time. The results are categorized into different sections as well. Lastly, go to the General and tap on the Time Machine. So Time Machine is a built-in backup feature in macOS that automatically backs up your entire system, including all your files, apps, and system settings. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.